Wiggins waiting for him to make a move. Crowd on its feet here. Take out center. Herro dancing with the basketball. Got to a spot mid-post, and Tyler Herro gives Miami the lead with his 35th point.
Just the absolute poise, down the stretch, and we got pick and roll. We were able to get to spacing out of that, and he just read the defense, at that point. And each game is different. Each situation is different. You can't always just say, hey, you got to attack and try to get to the rim or back the defender up. It just depends. He's hit a game winner on a three. He's hit a game winner now on a pull-up. Eventually, he's probably going to get a game winner on a layup. He'll probably get some kind of game winner on a free throw attempt. This is just part of the evolution of a very skilled offensive player. But you just really, respect the poise that he had. He wants those situations, and now he's starting to stack up some experience. In those moments, he knew exactly what he wanted to get to and read the defense and was able to get to a spot and elevate. And he's a great, shooter, particularly off the dribble.